pigeon. It is on the chair.
Oh my god!
Look, on the tip of the chair.
No, you need to leave. Oh my god! Oh, I need to open the door. Don't do that. Let him. He's scared. He can't get out. Bless him. Bless him. He's gonna hit the window. He's scared.
No.
No! Seabird! Nago! Oh no! Kian, don't disturb him! Come away, let him find his way out. He's so silly. Why did you come in? Get out of here. Get out! Shoo out! He's gone there because he could see the window. He could see outside, but he's going to hit to the window. Oh, what a silly bird. What an idiot.
Thanks though for the video.
He needs toilet. He can go for a wee outside. Kian, go away.
No, I need a video.
Hey! Don't wobble, Kian, so much. Why are you so silly?
Go on, go there.
Come on. No, don't scare him too much. He'll have a heart attack. Gatsby, go and get. You were supposed to guard the house.
Gatsby!
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 Go.
Gatsby! Gatsby!
Gatsby, go get the bird out.
Get bird. Gatsby!
Wait,
Gatsby!
there's a bird there.
What's that? Gatsby!
I don't think he's seen him.
Gatsby! Look! Gatsby! Gatsby! Come stop!
He hasn't seen him.
Come here! Look!
Oh, he's not allowed in the kitchen, Kian. Don't send him to the kitchen.
Gatsby, look!
Gatsby, there's a birdie. Gatsby, look. There's a birdie. Can you see the birdie?
No.
He thinks you guys are playing with him.
How is the bird get in?
Gatsby. He's an idiot.
Gatsby!
I think he's come for food. He's probably hungry. Kian,
Shall I give him
what?
some bread?
No.
No, because if I throw some bread outside, he'll go for it. No.
Okay.
Hello. But wait.
What a silly bird. Get out! No, don't close the door. Don't close the door.
No, I'm opening it more. I'm just scared. I'm just going to look, show him the bread first.
He's not looking now. I'm behind this.
Gatsby!
Daddy, you need to go out. I'm telling you.
Gatsby! You can't see me.
Gatsby!
Gatsby!
This isn't your house.
Gatsby! Gatsby! It's like you got a
Gatsby!
pigeon. Come here. Look.
He thinks that's his
No.
perching over our
Gatsby.
cooker.
No.
Dion.
No, go. Gatsby, go. Look. Gatsby. Look.
Don't
Look. No, Gatsby.
Dion, he's coming.
No,
Dion.
trust me. Gatsby, look. No, look.
Dion, Gatsby's weird. Dion. Gatsby's wondering why you're pushing him to the kitchen. You don't allow him to go to the kitchen. And now he's thinking, what's going on? Why aren't you telling me to go to the kitchen?
What do we do?
I think you guys go upstairs and just play and
No.
you will go. Get changed. This isn't it's a history thing. It's okay.
Boom.
Okay.
Go on. Go. Outside. Go on. Go out.
He's looking for he's an idiot. He's looking at that window. I can see him. You know?
Yeah.
He's thinking I can go out from there. And I've opened
Birdie!
I think
I think birds can't see
Here, give
like windows
show
and
him
mirrors, so
red.
that I think they just see
He said to go right on. Chan, either over here. He won't come here because we're here. We have to come back. talking to you. I'm not talking to you. I'm trying to get the bird out. Okay. Kion, if he sees you, he won't come out because we're blocking the...
Okay, everybody.
Why are you such a thick pigeon? Sheer.
Kion. No. You know, when you said there was a bird in the kitchen, I didn't believe you.
Look.
Kion.
Red.
Kion.
Red.
Do you think he's going to come towards you?
Put
Red.
it right on the floor.
Look.
On the table. Kion.
Look.
You're messing the house. Kion. He will never come to... No, in the kitchen. On the dining table. Okay, come, now go.
Did it move?
He got us scared, but not moving.
It snaps me.
Get out of my kitchen, mate. Seriously?
I've got an idea.
No, he's coming. He's just looking to fly. Please don't be an idiot. Get out.
Please don't come through there because I'm here.
No, you guys go back. Yeah, he's getting unsettled.
Get closer.
The thing is, I'm just worried he doesn't fly towards me.
Yeah, just in case he tries to attack you.
He won't attack me.
Oh.
He's an idiot. He's trying to get higher. Look, Shan, come over here, please. Open his flying thing so he can go this way.
He's trying to open his wings. He's trying to open his wings so he can fly out. Because the only reason he was bumping into the window is because I don't think birds can see windows, so that's why.
No, he was thinking it's outside. Yeah.
Yeah.
So he couldn't recognize that's a glass. He knows it's not his place. He has to get out. He's just being so weird.
He's being stubborn.
Get out! You don't worry.
Naughty pigeon.
Look at him. He's looking up. Look, he's trying to fly up. He keeps looking up.
Oh, wait.
Now. Come on then.
Look.
No. Not too close.
There's
You've
birds.
got to fly this way, mate. You've gone the wrong place.
There's nowhere else.
Gatsby.
I am just sick and tired of your
He's not a person.
attitude.
Good boy. By shouting and telling him you're sick and tired of it.
You
Guys,
calm
I have a suggestion. Why don't you two guys go up and play?
Okay.
He will go.
Come.
He will go. Go, guys. Because maybe if it's quieter.
What about we all go into the corridor? Come.
Yeah,
We all go into the corridor. Come. Heartbeat
What's the heartbeat for? Why are you so stupid?
Why is there a bird?
Wait, get the towel and start waving it near him, and then he'll.
No, Keon, because he will gonna hit himself to all that window and wood and stuff. I don't want a dead pigeon in my kitchen. Thank you very much.
And then you just chuck it out.
Maybe if you shoot him with a poison dart that'll make him sleep.
Keon, I don't like killing animals.
No, with a dart that'll make him sleep.
No,
Knock
thank
him
you very
out,
much.
dart.
This isn't a Madagascar.
Come on.
He's trying to jump up, guys.
He's trying to fly, but
But wrong place. Look, now he's getting stuck in that corner. Why are you so
Fly! Flap your wings!
Yeah, he's trying, John, he's trying.
no, but if he flaps his wings could get damaged. Because
Flap like that.
Well, at the moment,
Flap, 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 flap.
a bit.
Oh,
Stop.
come on. Oh my God! He's found the hole. He's found the hole. He's gone up there and hidden there.
Do you see him?
Oh my
Oh my-
God! Can you see him?
Yeah. How are you supposed to get him?
Keon, I wouldn't go there if I were you.
I need video purposes only.
What are you, wildlife director?
I'm going.
Boom!
Don't like scare him. No, Keanu, don't scare him because he won't like move.
Give me him.
I think the best thing is, guys, to move from here.
Yeah.
He might come out. Yeah.
But what if he comes from here?
Goes that way.
Come on.
You were meant to
Who's
guard
a
his
good
house.
So he was just sticking upstairs.
He was.
Who's a good bird? Who's a good bird? Who's a good bird? Who's a good bird? The more that you can flap,
The pigeon must
the
have
more than you can.
Because the way was so narrow, he must have just walked close and smelled food and then came in. Then started to fly on top of our chairs.
Bread time.
Look, when Keanu said there was a bird in here, I didn't believe him at first. But then when I saw him, he was just like on top here, just like standing.
God.
And then when he saw all of us, like,
Wait, shall I throw
Close
bread
up.
near?
No, Keon, he would go right at the back. You see, he's scared of us. That's why he's hiding there.
Then we'll call pest control.
No, not pest control. He's not a pest. I will probably, if I can't get him out when that comes, I'll call NS PCs, whatever it is. Like
Animals.
Wait, let me throw it on the kitchen floor, please. Okay, everybody, we're all going into the corridor. I'm going to throw these on the floor in a little trail
If he gets it stuck in there,
and see if he can do it. Right, everybody, please
I'll help.
make your way to the kitchen,
I'll help.
to the corridor.
help you.
Now,
'Cause we're
I'm
buddies.
going to make a trail there.
Right, make the
There.
here.
Wait, and then there,
There.
there, and there,
There.
there, and there. Right,
So if
let's
he
go.
comes down- Right, I'm gonna bring my laptop.
Look, Maddie.
You go to your room.
Let's hope for the best, eh? Hope for
If
the
you can't,
best.
you left the trail of bread, so